empty plastic bottle in the freezer for 1 hour. Take it out and cover the top with one wet quarter. Watch the bottle burp. You want me to put it in the water now?
Definitely.
Can I put it here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right there, right? Can you see it?
I think you need to make sure the lid's completely covered. See, there's a little bit of gap where the air can get through.
Oh yeah.
Try that now. See if that helps. Oh, there it is. See the bottle burping? Do you think it's done burping?
I think so. But you want to hear something from me?
Sure. Oh, here it is. It's still going. What do you think about making the bottle burp?
Really good. I love it when it's like, I was hoping it was gonna like be like a human being's burp.
Oh well, nearly.